Okay, today topic is red cabbage. As you know, I am going to make indicator from this red cabbage. So, normally we do using water. But if we boil this red cabbage with water and take the dye and use it as an indicator, you can't keep it too long because after you making, next day it will stinks. So, I am going to do this experiment in a different way. Therefore, I am going to use methanol as the solvent. Also, I am not going to keep this indicator as a liquid but a solid. So, first we need red cabbage and methanol. And here is the main ingredients we want to make this indicator. First, red cabbage, and also we need methanol. I am going to use about 300 milliliters of methanol. By the way, we can collect the methanol after the reaction. As you can see here, I just filled up red cabbage to this conical flask. Now I am going to fill this flask with methanol. I think that's enough. Now what I am going to do is I am going to heat this mixture using a water bath. Okay, now I am going to keep this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes until all the dye is dissolved in methanol. Okay, after few minutes, now you can see the reaction mixture. I was hoping to keep this boiling going on for 10 to 15 minutes, but within 3 to 4 minutes all the dye has dissolved in the methanol. So I'm going to stop boiling this solution. Now you can see here purple color dye is in the methanol. After filtering the solution, now you can see here our red cabbage is almost white. So here is the solution of indicator. Now I am going to use a distillation setup and distill the almost all methanol and concentrate the indicator solution. Okay, now you can see here this is the distillation setup. I filled the solution to this flask. I didn't add all of the solution, I just add half of it. And now you can see here the solution is boiling right now, and here you can see here methanol is condensing. And to this flask I can collect all the methanol. Now you can see here very little amount of the solvent is left here, and also a lot of bubbling occurs. Therefore I am going to transfer this liquid into a beaker and dry the product. After few minutes of heating, now you can see here almost all methanol has evaporated already, and the leftover here is water and the extracted compounds of red cabbage. So now I am going to do is evaporate all of the water as well and get the solid product. After evaporating all the solvent, now you can see here this is how our product looks like. Actually this should be purple color, but now this is like a brown color because these molecules are bioproducts. If we heat too much, that molecules will decompose to and degraded to other product. Therefore, we need to control the temperature very well. So you can see here in the side of the beaker, still we have the purple color indicator, but I think if we use the concentrated indicator solution, it is much better than using this solid product, because now this is not like just like a solid product, this is like a gluey paste. Okay, so still we can use this for our demonstrations, but the thing is we have to dissolve this paste in water or methanol or solvent. It will dissolve very well, but the best solvent is to use this indicator is water. It will dissolve very well in water. Also you can use methanol. So now it's time to check the color series of this indicator. And here is the test tube, contains different compounds. In first test tube we have dilute sulfuric acid, and the second test tube we have dilute citric acid, third one we have sodium citrate, and fourth one we have deionized water. The next one we have sodium bicarbonate. Here we have sodium carbonate, and last we have sodium hydroxide solution.